Hello? Hello? Let's export this level and get to work. Hello, Nintendo for life. Hello, CX Links. Meowdy2S2W. We are gonna be working on Boshi, the dino with the gun. There's a lot of stuff I worked on off stream that I can't really show you guys right now. Wait, why can I not hear anything? There we go. Hello, Aaron. Yep, I'll be here every Saturday. Hello, Bitark. So there's two levels, or well, two areas I made off stream that I can't show you yet, because it's kind of, I'm supposed to keep it secret. But they're very, very cool. You're just gonna have to trust me. I also, because I'm gonna make a release for ROMhack soon, which is, you know, the secret project. It's a small ROMhack. I also polished up the entire engine for whenever I was testing the game. Mario Luigi RPG mod. I mean, could be fun, but like that's so much work that I don't want to do. I have enough work right now with the projects that were my own ideas. The project is using this engine? Yes. Well, basically everything I'm gonna release is gonna use my engine. Hello, Steven. I also found some cool random optimizations all over the place. Interesting bug here. Interesting. That fixes that. Cool. Will I open source it when I release that? Maybe, I don't know. Alice going to Disney tomorrow. Nice. You like Disney? I feel like Disney World would be one of the most miserable experiences imaginable for me. You're watching on YouTube, but you're scared? Why are you scared on YouTube? Gotta get up at 8:30, goddamn, that sounds worse and worse. Any OST wishes for today? I didn't realize you could pause during this. Interesting. Persona 3 reload. Alright, let's do it. I know Persona 4 OST is really good, so surely 3 won't be too bad. Why did you use Blender instead of other programs like 3ds Max? 3ds Max is slow as shit, and I think you might need a license, I don't know. Also, Blender has FAST64 and Python capabilities, and it is open source, which means it's actually going to be good in 5 years. Dude, I got a random email today, and this email just said, please look at my sign and code approximation, and he just sent me 2 screenshots, and it's actually a pretty cool idea that he has. But that's so wild to get emails like that. Who else gets emails like that? Right, we need to program the countdown. How do we make the countdown work? I played Persona 4 actually. I kinda liked it. I don't know if I would like to play another one though. See, okay, what I like to do is I like to take a look at all the games I already played and then play the next game that is as different from everything that I've already played as possible. Countdown to what? To the duel. The idea was that you would stand up with Boshi here and would say 3, 2, 1, shoot. Maybe let's look at Mario Party minigames here. Mario Party shooting minigame. Yeah, this one here. Yeah, like that, like that. But I feel like this text is not very expressive. This feels very much just like we put the thing because we had to put the thing, you know? Gameplay-wise it fucking sucks though. Well, it's RPGs, right? RPGs gameplay-wise are always kind of sucky. That seems inevitable to me. There's 2 options for RPG, or 3 options actually for RPGs. 1, they're easy. 2, they're grindy. 3, they're math optimization problems. All 3 of these sound like shit. Peach Showtime is good. I mean, that's nice, right? It's flawed but charming. I saw a little bit. It looks like there isn't much depth to the game, but there's a lot of really cool ideas. Like, it maximizes, or well, it felt like it maximizes out in one direction, and there's gonna be some people that will say this is the best game forever for a long time. That's what it looked like. But I only watched like a minute. So what if we just have a number code from small to big and then fade out? So it's like 3, 2, 1, go. You know what I mean? Hello Bioback, it truly has been a while. We thought you went to the Lila farm, you know? Dude, I wish I could show you guys what I made off stream. It's so cool. Hello, Michi. Michi, really cool news. Someone just emailed me a new sine and cosine approximation that might actually be worth it. It was just an email that said, please look at my sine and cosine approximation. And it actually looks kind of cool. Why can't you show us? Because it's a collab with another ROM maker and he asked me not to. Should try the optimization, maybe, but I'm not doing it right now on stream. disturbing the peace. You should break someone's trust force, I think. True. Wait, a HUD countdown is gonna suck to program. What if I just make it the Mario Party countdown? Oh wait, even that's gonna suck to program. I think I have to do this in HUD. Oh well. Also, very cool news. Let me just show you what I did recently. I made this whole game, I made sure it all works on N64 now. I think we should be able to just run around in the game now without crashes. Let's see how long this goes well. Hey! How fucking cool is that? 40 FPS before we even optimized it. You know what I never looked at? I never looked at whether the ship runs fine now. No! Okay, you know what? The overworld is fucked. Let me try that again. Let me try to look at course 5 on N64. But I swear I played the level for the hack that I was developing and it looked fine. I also had a cool optimization idea for this course here. What we can do here, you see these beams here? We can make it so that they cull, like right here. The two beams right here. We can just make it not process the triangles at all. We weren't doing that. Yeah, don't worry though about the overworld crash. Like we knew something was wrong in the overworld. Okay, well, the overworld's really wrong right now. maybe one day it will work. The day is not today. The Western level music pretty much is the exact same notes as the catchy part of It I Will Survive and I Can't Stop Hearing It. As which one? What is this countdown talking about? Okay, I'll just show you what I'm doing right now. Or what we're gonna be doing next. So there's... oh god damn it. Let me just get there real quick. God damn it! Takes forever to get anywhere. I should just change it to area 2 start warp. Alright. You see this guy? He's Boshi. Boshi the Yoshi. And he wants a duel with you. So I'm thinking there will be a countdown here that says 3, 2, 1, and then there's a random delay and it says go. And you gotta press B to shoot him. You're gonna be shooting one of those cork guns from Mario Party 2. Like this. Kirby Samurai? Oh, it's like a line that fades down? How does this work? Oh, I see. That is one way of doing it. You can make an open world, yes. What's with this? This song is fucked. It keeps changing volumes. We could just spawn a thing in world space that's like go. But I kind of wanted the countdown of like 3, 2, 1, go. Hello, Velza. No, the gates to hell have opened. God damn it. I couldn't even record my video this morning. If you shoot early, your gun would blow up in your face. That's funny. I like that. So like, if Mario shoots early, make his gun explode. But like how? I don't know. We really need to get off oil eat here. It literally ruins my streams, my videos, my everything. And there's a small suspense period, and one of you is blasted away like Smash. That's funny, but he's gonna throw an egg, so the egg is gonna be slow. I think that doesn't quite work. Hello, Iron Stream. Are you sitting in an airplane, or what's the noise? It's the gates of hell that have opened in my house. I'll be home for dinner, and he gets up and gives you the star. That's also funny, but I kind of want him. We kind of wanted him to be kind of like an asshole Yoshi. He's like, I'm not like those farm Yoshis. I'm one of the edgy boys. And then he's like, well, I guess I'll hang the vigilante life up or something. Hello, Hashi. The noise is already, yep. Hopefully it's gonna turn off again any second now. Please download something NVIDIA broadcast. I have it, but it malfunctions so often that I don't want to use it. How do we best do this, actually? Let's have it just like 0, we do nothing. Oh, finally. Peace and quiet. I'm safe. keyboard is so loud as now. Yeah, it fucks with all the noise normalization stuff. I'm begging the sound is out. What do you want me to do? Alright, you know what? I'm turning on NVIDIA broadcast and I'm switching my microphone to it. And then you guys can tell me if it's any good. Alright? Was that a heat tank? What was that? Yeah. Alright, this is NVIDIA broadcast. Classic crash. Classic. Refresh page. Oh, it's working again. You cannot hear me? What do you mean you cannot hear me? Why are people typing NVIDIA Nopecast and microphone? I can see clearly in OBS that my microphone is picking up noise. Trolls. 153. Type something and check if the keyboard is still annoying. I am typing the whole time. This is so much better, but now you guys are lacking the ASMR. Is this really like a trade you guys wanna... Can't believe it. You got a vape ads? Damn. They're actually trying to sell you a cancer in a stick on my stream. That is messed up. Will this remove the gong sound? Let's see. Did you guys hear the gong? Are you guys not gonna miss the gong if it's gone? You need the gong back? It's gone? No! No more awkward breathing noises when you don't talk. Today we lost a lot, guys. So timer reliably increased by 1 every frame take, whatever. Is it ever possible to check and not increase? If you change O action, it's gonna reset back to 0, but other than that, no. It will always increase. Actually, if it's at like a value of some 1 billion something, then it will no longer increase. It has an upper limit. But you would need to wait in-game for 9 months. So... it's not gonna happen, realistically. Again, those equals 21 and equals 21, wondering if they can fail in rare conditions. Nah, they will never fail. What if I let the game run while waiting for my son to be born? Yes. I wonder actually if there are bugs in the original Mario 64 that only appear after you've waited for 9 months. I think actually there is one that appears after a bit. Wait, I have a note for this. The star menu stops working for 2 years and 3 months if you wait on the menu for 2 years and 3 months. Fun fact. The Diadox painting stops ribbling after a week or so. Fun facts. Hello, Neovim. The Diadox painting actually is floating point coarseness. If you remember Pilot Kong's video about Floaty the fish, that's basically what's going on. Will the gun minigame take into account modern display? Like, yes. Who do you think I am? You think I'm a fucking scrub? You think I don't know that the top human reaction time to something they haven't trained to is like 210 milliseconds, and then the console itself also has like 80 milliseconds of input lag? So likely we have to go at least 300 milliseconds on this. Hey there, Nick here. As always in every stream, I won't be here for as long, so I guess have a great day everyone. Looking forward to... Hello Nicholas. Can you just loop the timer, stay back to 0? No, you can't. Imagine you have an object that accelerates for the first 10 frames and then decelerates for 10 frames. Imagine you loop it back around after 9 months, it won't move again. Dude, the animations are the funniest. So this is when he throws the egg. This one's good. This one's good. I like this. But the funniest is when he gets hit. When you hit him. He's just so over it. Which I believe was rising this whole time, but you need to wait 9 months in game. True. Surely that's true. I think this animation needs to not loop. Yeah. Let's see if the countdown appears and if he froze. I also need to change this area too. There we go. Oh yeah, Biomech, you haven't even seen these guys. Aren't they cool? What maximum performance are you expecting when you implement FreeDex properly? Well, right now it's a 20% performance loss. But once everything's fixed, I'm expecting 5 to 10% performance gain. Collect 10 million coins in a Bowser fight and let the console run for 4 weeks. That's obviously fake. Everyone knows you unlock Luigi by kicking the mirror 120 times. Wow, that sucked. You could barely see that. Damn, that was awful. Also, I'm right shifting by 32 and not by 5, I just realized. Hello, cat honka honka. What did you miss? You missed us making Boshi. What my awesome suggestion? The Kirby one? Oh, what was it? I think we can work with something like that. I want to see how this works first, and it doesn't work. What if he has a redemption arc after you beat him and he moves into your side so you can duel him anytime for fun and he keeps records of your reaction time? Oh, that's a really cool idea. I like that. I'm gonna make that now. I'm gonna note it down here. And characters that should reappear. I'm thinking make the penguins reappear in later levels again if you have freed them for Easter eggs or stars. Boonut appears in a different level after the main story. Tarkin then makes him appear in the new levels after he was everywhere and reveals the story about his wife. Okay, interesting. Elder Yoshi, the Yoshi Mama. Bari from the zoo, right. Boshi from duel. I like this idea. I will make for bonus content. Yes, yes, Boonut should reappear somewhere and have like a little story you can interact with. Oh my god, my eye is twitching so much. I think I'm going insane. Oh, interesting, he says reading his own notes that he wrote. Look, it's been a while. What is my notepad log alt? I don't update software unless I have a bug with the software. I'm still on 1.6. There's just no better emulator right now. Dude, is it time for the weekly emulator rant? Oh my god, I'm so excited. Three, two, one. Oh, he threw the egg at me and didn't say go. Wow, what an asshole. Honestly, I think it's good to like your own work. Okay, so reaction time. I was thinking you can have multiple attempts. I am going to make it so that the first attempt is really difficult. I'm thinking like 280 millisecond reaction time. And then every time you lose, you get like 3 frames more reaction time. How much 3 frames in milliseconds? 100. No! No! The gates of hell have opened once again. But you can probably not hear it. You can't hear it at all? Oh my god, I can. It's so loud. Well, as long as you guys are happy, I'm happy too. There's a bonus for winning first try? Nope. Let's find a good state variable here. Oh, we can't actually use opacity. Damage or coin value, there we go. But then we need another one. Oh, loot coins, there we go. Maybe just that 2 frames to reaction time. Do you have any plans for smoothing out the camera when you enter stage from cutscene to Mario? Not saying it's bad, but could be smoother. It was supposed to instantly cut. Does it not? I don't actually remember. I have a note somewhere in my notes saying to investigate that and make sure it works fine with 60 FPS. So that would probably be done in the same step. Okay. I am not a fan of the 3-2-1. I'll tell it to you as it is. It does not look good. We need a better idea here. Maybe a more animated number, like a shaking number. But that's also lame. Do I really? Actually, I can just make it a hard element. What if we just render it with like a scaling matrix? Three, 2, 1. Go. There we go. Alright, that's not too bad. That was a little bit of a long wait. It's a number, it's 3 bullet graphics, then 2 bullet graphics, then 1. Bullet graphics. Not sure I understand that correctly. You also need something to indicate that a go is coming and the game is frozen. Yeah, I can kind of see that. I'm just thinking about this. This is probably just a shitty game to look at, right? I think that just isn't a good game to look at. Make the wait shorter but more random. I did that. Alright. Didn't really feel the problem. We could just use this, and then instead of having the number be static, we can have it like come in from small and have it go big. Maybe that works. Where's the HUD defined? Main HUD. Yeah, main HUD, and then we just go 4 minus Boshi timer. Perfect. The music goes mute, and then you shoot as soon as you hear the clock ticking. The music should go mute, that's a good idea. I agree. Then the new number kicks the previous number off screen. The quick draw minigame, let's see that. It looks very cool. The camera frame is also so much nicer. Wait, maybe we should take something more camera framing like that. Let me look at my cutscene again. Maybe I don't like the camera framing here. Yeah, we could move the camera in a lot more, right? Have it be cut off at Yoshi and at Mario. Let's try that. Oh god, how am I gonna just guess the number? I can't. Letterboxed? What does letterboxed mean? But that's actually a very good point. We have to make sure it also works on 4 to 3. Shit. Let's still get it on 4 to 3, that's more important. Hello, Aggie. Yeah, that's what I usually do, Moshi. Yeah, we can cut a good bit of this off here. Oh, that would be so cool. You're right that it would be very cool. But it's so much work. He does look like the leader of Skirtle Squad. That is all on purpose. Gotta reduce the X values norm. And not just that, we should also increase the Z value. Wait. Increase the Z value, so 7060, and reduce the norm of this. Maybe reduce the camera height a little bit. Let's try this. 2 pre-rendered images that scroll in opposite directions. Oh, you just want this overlaid on the screen? That could work, yeah. Hmm. Yeah, I think that's definitely doable and worth doing. Okay, this is not good yet. We need the camera further in, we need it further to the left, and we need the camera further down. So further in we can do like this, further to the left should be like this, and further down should be like maybe this. And then the render focus probably should be a bit up. We'll make a whole like hot widget out of it, Cassini. Okay. We need the camera to look further to the left, and we need the camera to actually have these guys be in vision. Can we split it into smaller chunks? Yes, we can. Should be more over Mario's shoulder? No, I want the dual camera. Okay. This does some things better and other things worse. Eventually we'll figure it out. It's a lot of trial and error, unfortunately, because we can't just preview it. Alright, we just want a little more Mario and a little less Yoshi, and then we're there. And then we can move it back to widescreen and look at it. Alright, I think I like this now. That's not widescreen, is it? Widescreen resolutions. No, it's not. There we go. Yeah, it still looks fine on widescreen. So that's some way you could preview in Blender. I think it makes me different, so I'm not sure it's impossible. Maybe if we somehow also figure out the correct viewport size and stuff. Wait. What if we do it kind of like this? That looks kind of nice. Oh, the OST is over. We could just have it be a cutscene. Let me just close this file that I'm not supposed to show. Wait, the 3-to-1 actually read that, right? That's very, very good, actually. And this is rendered as a rectangle and not triangles. And if Go should say fire. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, so let's not count down, actually. Let's just say fire. Let's just... maybe we'll have the camera on him, and then the camera on Mario, and then the camera zooms out. There's a random wait, and it says fire. How does that sound? Yeah. I think that works. So... actually, it should be something like we'll draw and shoot at noon or something. And then maybe we can just animate the clock here in the background. How would that be? We just have the clock here and you shoot at noon. I think that could work. We have no music, so we listen to my favorite song. Can it take a random aspect order? Yeah. Alright, let's just say we'll draw and shoot on fire. Alright, we'll just make a cutscene. Fuck it. This is painful to do without a cutscene anyway. Boshi scene 1 pause. So the first scene will just be looking at Boshi. Do we zoom in or out from him? Maybe we don't zoom at all. It goes to black and then it zooms out from the scene. It goes to black, it comes out of black, it's looking at Boshi, and then it's gonna look at Mario. That's what we're doing. Let's try it. We can have a second and start at like noon minus 15 minutes, and then it moves in 3 segments, and it's noon with the last segment being random. Yeah, that's what I would have thought. But I also no longer think that's a very good idea, so okay. Which area is this? Is it not area 2? It is. Oh. But the Boshi scene is not part of an area. The gates to hell have once again opened. Guys, I need an OST so I don't hear the gates to hell. Gates to hell OST, no! Mark had 8 deluxe. Alright, let's do it. Beep beep, so the set amount of time, then randomize wait until the bigger beep with the fire text comes up. Let's say just draw when this broken clock strikes noon to account for the randomness. Yeah. That would work. But I think we're doing this now. I'm gonna discuss the comp. One of the cool things you said with the desert level. I'm thinking temple, but a bit iffy. Pyramids. So my favorite hex? I don't like hex. Maybe Star Road is one of my favorites. This is Return to Modelling N64? Yes, it is. Madness, true. Best tech. It's good starting resource for the N64 development. Probably the homebrew dev Discord, I would imagine. The YouTube side of chat is the more sane one. I guess the Twitch side has been here for longer. That's the one that's gonna go crazy first. The more comfortable you get, the more you crazy you show Twitch chat. Right, I forgot one thing. I don't think time accumulated really matters here, does it? Yeah, I don't think I need to set this. Let's try that again. I think I already liked the Boshi one. Just maybe it was looking a little too high. Let's try that again. Wait, 9 months to draw for the duel? That sounds like good game design. Can you believe Zaina's out babysitting instead of making games with me right now? You can? Damn. Such is life. Have any of you ever babysitted? I feel like my Twitch chat is mostly male, and men would almost never babysit. Ooh, that's a perfect scene. Where's Mario? Alright, we got a few issues. Concas's wet dream, let's see what this is. What? Why would this be for me? I'm not into Peach at all. This also lasted way too long in my opinion. Well, I'm not into Mario either. Yeah, Peach feels very kid-friendly, like a Disney princess or something. It's good that there isn't much to be into. You do Goombas? I like big Goombas and I cannot fly. You guys remember that song? Oh, where's the cutscene? You know what? I should make Mario's eyes half closed while this is going on. It would look so cool. Can I just set this to 1? I think I can. I think the blank star looks more funny, like Boshi's putting his life on the line and Mario's just in for fun. Maybe, but it's such a cool detail. When we don't do anything, he's just kind of blinking all the time. We should look at it at least, just to make sure what we like better. Maybe it's gonna be really funny all of a sudden. Making squinting eyes just for this cutscene. He already has squinting eyes. That's the crazy part. I thought about adding a voice countdown. Nah. Taste those Gaijin Goomba's top tips for getting the gamer girl. Is that how I got Zena? Is that what you think? Kind of annoying for other languages too. I didn't even think about that. There's one really weird frame here. Oh god. What? Why? Why? It also didn't update his eyes, which sucks. Maybe I should just set the eye state to 2. Quaking true. Still need the table here. I don't need this or this or this or this or this or this or this. Actually, I do need the hat. I hate having this many files open. Would it be hilarious if Mario farts during his close-up? I want you to think about what you just said. Think about if that's how you want to live your life. This does not work for elimination, dude. All the humor is so disgusting. I didn't even like it as a kid. I always thought it was nasty. Saying bro self-reported is very funny. I said that to someone not that long ago, but I forgot what it was about. $260. 260 is not enough, or is it? Maybe it is. But this really needs to start the frame earlier, because this doesn't work at all right now. What if we do this on frame 19? And then this on frame 20. Kids were writing fart jokes. Okay, do kids actually think that farts are that funny? Or is that just something that movies psyop us into? Because there's no way kids think farts are that funny. I just don't believe it. Ooh, there we go. Still does this. And it didn't even say fire. Why is my camera doing that? Right, but it's not about what you think, it's about what kids think. Unless you are a kid, in which case you probably shouldn't be allowed on Twitch. Oh, actually on YouTube, never mind. Oh, as a kid, that made me embarrassed to watch a movie with my parents with fart jokes. I guess I felt offended even at that age. That is funny. Wait, did it render fire and I just didn't see it? Chat, is this real? Wait, no, it didn't. Had it written fire, then we would have seen that somewhere. Should make Boshi fucking explode. He'll get corked. Like in the Mario Party minigame. This is what I want. This is my vision. Well, except he'll fall down and cry. Okay. So the camera focus did feel like one of them was kind of not in there. So I'm thinking of just moving this one slightly to the side. This one slightly over there. Let's see it. And the cutscene hopefully doesn't do the jumpy stuff anymore now. I do not know why I had MS Paint open. If you can't believe that a fart debate started, you've never been to the stream. We debate about everything. Craig's a bit over the top, don't you think? What if you just act like you got really, really hurt instead? No, he's like... It's like the little toddler cry, not like an actual cry. Still does that. It doesn't say... Now it says fire. Great, awesome. Oh, it doesn't say fire. And because it can't during a cutscene. I also noticed one issue in Boshi's rig here. You guys see that? That's not good. There we go. Surely that's not gonna ruin everything else. Clueless. Oh, it doesn't. Cool. Now the only mystery that remains is why the fuck does this cutscene fuck up like that? Does it have anything to do with the focus being weird? What if I set the velocities here? Let's try again. Have you guys played Chibi Robo for the Nintendo GameCube? We're playing it right now. It's pretty fun. Bowser can't kill insta. Mario Boshi would have to be like the strongest Mario character if you could insta kill Yoshi. True. But he has a gun, you know. Bowser with a gun power could also insta kill Mario. Hello, G-Boy. It's okay. You get a tally. Don't get another 2, or you'll get permanently banned. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. I like that. Just gets to be a bit faster. True, he is immortal. That is an advantage. Is Dry Bowser like the Bowser version of Dry Bones? Like, have you ever considered that Bowser is just kind of like... He is a Koopa, right? Just like a really big one. So of course he would also become Dry Bones. But like, what about all the other Koopa variants? Can he become those too? Is there like a red-shelled Bowser that doesn't walk off ledges? Bowser, you mean Wet Bones? True. There's a blue Bowser? He has a brother? I'm not up to date with the lore, clearly. Alright, this is great. Kind of cool if the whole ROM came together, made a super optimized version of Finalizing, but all their mods on 6 would just in real time patch all mods. Well, I mean, they're making Hackam N64, and you can see how that's going. That's basically what you want. Blue Bowser in Mario Bros. 1. Oh. But that's just Bowser in different lighting. That's how I interpreted that. Is it really his brother? The hell? Alright, I think next up we should program the egg that he throws. There are 2 bosses in one of the levels? What? Oh, he's in the lost levels. He's not canon. He's a Japan exclusive. He doesn't exist in our world. So gonna be a Yoshi egg? Yes. Splash would be a good addition to my collection. I've seen this. It does the sound too. Heavy Cat is here. Too much monster. Yeah, that's pretty accurate. Decimate? Awesome. This is just what I wanted. The fact that holds open means that there's an issue. Hello, Yannick. There should be no holds that open when I decimate. So this is clearly having some issues. Meaning we just fixed a bug that we didn't even know existed. Honestly, it's not too bad at Decimate 0.5. We just need to fix some UV mapping. I don't really wanna though. I wanna just import it. Actually, maybe we can do like 0.75. Yeah, I'll just fix these few UV mapping issues and then we should be fine. Because I don't want to import this many triangles, because this level already has a huge RAM issue. This egg is also going to be really small, so if there is an inaccuracy you wouldn't even see it. Well, a lot of people tell me that they're worried that this game is gonna get taken down by Nintendo, but I never understood what they think that would look like. Like, how would this go down? Would Nintendo come to my house and like delete it off my PC? I never understood that. Like, it's technically not even online yet. Would they just politely ask me to stop? They would kill me? Ninjas with nunchucks? Okay, but the nunchuck sucks as a weapon. I have weight plates here. I can use them as a hammer. I would absolutely beat anyone with a nunchuck. They will stealth attack me? Oh, I see. DMC takedowns on your videos will likely be their first step. Well, they've already taken down 70 of my videos. So, like, they already did that. I shall edit this texture a little bit. Why did they take down the other videos before? Because they didn't want them to be online. I guess. They took down like Blender tutorials I made, not just Mario 64 stuff. You guys want to see the funniest video in the world? So this was back when I was developing N64. They decided to take down my video where I showcased Wario in N64, just like a new character I had added. And after they took it down, I re-uploaded it, but without any Nintendo content. So this is what it looked like.
So Nintendo just took like 20 videos of mine down, so I'll have to remake them, hopefully, without infringing on their copyright. Let's start this. Yahoo! Yahoo! Dish. Hep. Yahoo! Yeah. Hep. Alright. Hep. Dish. I'm a number one. I'm a number one. And these Goombas, they die when you do that. And then I just run around and I'm a number one. I'm a number one. Okay, so for the next scene, we go to Lethal Lava Land. And this kind of goes like, Yahoo! 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 Yeah, Yahoo! Oh!
Why did OBLJ in there? You should do that for every video? I think not. Should upload a copyright-free version of the Akiba trailer when it releases? They will absolutely take it down, and I will have to release a copyright-free version. That is gonna happen, and you know it. Hello, why can I not scale? The fuck? Do it right from the start so you don't lose on views. I can't do it right from the start. That would like get me no views at all from the get-go. Give us a Yoshi impression. How's that? can call me Charles Martinet. Hey. No, but you upload both versions, so if one gets taken down, the other one is still up, and you don't lose on the time it takes to re-upload. Oh, I see. Honestly, yeah, I think we're gonna do something similar to that. Because I'm gonna bundle it together with the ad for my Kickstarter for the game I'm gonna make after I'm done with Return to Yoshi's Island. So it's all gonna work out. I have the advertising plan down. Return to copyright-free Dinosaur Island release trailer. You guys by NPR told me to tell you you're doing a good job. True, I believe you. My uncle also works at Nintendo, actually. He told me not to listen to you. He told me you're an imposter. I was thinking some source code from Mario Kart 64 building a hybrid platform racing level. I feel like if I wanted to take racing code, Mario Kart 64 is the last place to look. Fazana has told me the horrors of that game's code. I want nothing to do with that. I made the egg way too big. This egg needs to be maybe like 20 coordinates. It's 2000. Do you guys actually realize how crazy it is, how close we're done to being done? Like only 3 levels are missing and I already finished one area of that. That's like endgame, but it's still gonna take a long time. But still, it's like, it's the last fifth of the game. That feels like end stretch to me. It's gonna take months, but still. I'm pretty happy about that. Big release before 2026? Maybe? Oh, probably, actually. I don't want to guarantee anything. The one thing that I'm worried about releasing is that maybe Nintendo releases a game around the same time as me. And if you release your ROM hack around the same time as a big Nintendo game comes out, you are gonna get taken down 100%, like right away. So that would really suck. Each level has 7 stars, and the total game is gonna have around 180 stars, something like that. But only 120 of those are gonna, actually maybe like 130 of those are gonna be real content. A lot of them are gonna be like Yoshi stars. People are gonna speedrun this, I'm pretty sure. Replacing everything with an OC is gonna take quite a bit. So at this animation frame, we want the egg to be right here. So we're just gonna take the cursor position here and have that be like computed. Left offset is 52.5 negative. Up is 98.28. Don't forget the F. And then they usually don't go after Hex though. They've definitely gone after my Hex before. That's the thing. They went after the missing link. They went after Last Impact. They went after N64. They went after the missing link after like 3 days. The game had like 300,000 views on YouTube. People fucking loved that shit. It was such a good game too, honestly. So it's really, really unfortunate that they took it down. I feel like without Nintendo's interference, I would have 1 million subs by now. No exaggeration. Maybe not 1 million, maybe like 800,000. But 1 million is possible, honestly. Actually, yeah, had Nintendo not interfered, I would have made a lot more videos. Maybe keep the release on your Patreon. I'm not making any Patreon exclusives. I don't want people to even think I'm trying to bait people into my Patreon. It's animation frame 14 actually that we care about. What did they take it down? Nothing, nothing. Okay, people are just scared about that they might take something down. Yeah, that's basically how it's gonna be tea time. Situation when Nintendo actually hired that man? I don't think so. They're big corporations. Big corporations are really inefficient and they all just hire their nephews and stuff. Oh, perfect. corporate inbreeding, kind of. This feels not like what I'm supposed to do. Let me try something like this. That's 14 frames to go 20 coordinates up, so maybe like 2.f. Actually, let's try 3.f and then set to 3.f, something like that. Is this the last of the course? Yes! Maybe they brought on the Ines guy for the Wii WC. I see. Could be. It's just... Yeah, the thing is, had they actually brought on emulator devs, that would be such a funny story that people would just share it a lot. So even if it's not a real story, I imagine people want to share it a lot. Okay, the positioning of this is a lot better already, but the Z position of this is not good. It's way too far forward. Let's try this and also give it a random pitch. How come the egg can't just be part of the same model animation as the Yoshi, just start super far away but not in use? Animations do not have translation in Mario 64 except for the first one. Alright, this is better. 25 to 29 and then 0 to 14, so that's 18 frames, so I think this will be good now. It's all just rotations then? Yep, all just rotations. We don't even have scale. That's likely gonna change once Leela is finished with her quaternions, because they give us free translation, as long as we don't use it. Still feels too far forward, is the crazy thing. How does it feel too far forward? You seeing this? It's set to -14 here. I'm just gonna force it to -25, see what happens. Venom is also a little slow. Well, he's relaxed, he's chilling. Is the vertex animations either shader based or blend shapes? What? It's all vertices. None of what you just said is vertices, that's all you get. Skip for breakfast going pretty well, I would say. This is all just C. Okay, that works, that works. We have him juggling the egg. Make the velocity start accelerating up before frame 14. So it looks more like he's catching it. You're thinking... So moving up, then he throws it up here. So you want to decelerate here, starting frame 6, as I'm guessing what you want. We can do that. Let's try it, fuck it. Sucks that we don't have an animation system to use. Would make this so much easier. I don't do all the models by myself. I mean, this one here is all by myself, but usually after I'm done, we got Bioback looking over it and he makes them a lot better. Check if it's less than 14 as well. Oh, fair point. You know what, I'll use 25 because I'm evil. There's some assembly in here, yeah, but it's not a lot. Cool. Set a shotgun? Yes. When making your ROM X, do you keep the original hardware in mind or you just optimize for image and downgrade afterwards? No, I don't optimize for emulator at all. I just do for hardware, and then the emulator is hopefully good enough to play my ROM X. Make the numbers 0.5f and 1.2f. How did you determine these? But you are right in saying that these are not good. You know what, I'll try them. And if they look bad, we all get the license to laugh at Kaki Dev. Did you actually calculate those? We all get to laugh at Kaki Dev, let's go. Like we needed it to make fun of them, damn. get roasted. I think 6 is just too early. It should be like 8. Him stopping it should be more instant, I think. Yeah, that's what I thought too. Okay. Yeah, I think actually frame 10, because then we have 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. And that should look a little better, I think. Just like 4 frames to decelerate. La donna mobile. Oh my god, we're gonna have pizza tonight. I just realized. I'm gonna have my wife make a pizza for me tonight. Aren't I living the best life? Looks too much like it's bouncing. You know what? Fuck this. We're actually doing the math here. I want this to end at 5.f. I want Mario to the egg to move with this minus 13 plus 25 minus 14 divided by 5.f. Multiplied by actually. So now we get 5 at the end and 4 here. Then we have 26, 27, 28, 29, and from 9 to... that's 4 frames, and then 13 more frames. So 13 frames of deceleration, 4 frames of acceleration. So this should be 20.f divided by 4.f divided by the cell. And then this minus equals the cell, hashtag refine the cell 1.f. There, we're doing that, Kaki. What by 5 divided by 25? Fair, you win this round. Making about it to the math for you, true. Yeah, the game detects save states. So if you save state in the game, a space-time Yoshi appears and tells you not to save state. And he will rap at you. That's better. It's ID free. What a clusterfuck. The UI font, yeah, I really want a new UI too. I just don't have a good idea. We've been stuck on not having a good idea for the UI for a year now. Stumbled upon the Yoshi raps again and they're very cringe. We will need to have them remade. What? Wait. Let's feel this out. Notice a crack in the timeline. Such an attack is not fine. Your save states are rude, they ruin my mood. So listen up, dude, I have a feud. I come in peace, I mean no hate. But I've seen you using a safe state. Next time think about not doing that, please. I have no other option than to break your knees. No? Is that wrong? What do you mean? Cringe Desu? What? They're nice. Notice crack in the timeline. Such an attack is not fine. Your save states are rude, they ruin my mood. So listen up, dude, I have a feud. Yo Yoshi, I come from space. I know you're a good guy, but just in case, save states will soon ruin your fun. If you use them, I've got a gun. That's perfect, dude. I like this. Okay, so how will the shoot-off work in multiplayer? Also, that reversion was kinda crap. Show a bad example. What? No, man, this goes hard. I think it's funnier when you just read it in-game. Wow, it's SpongeBob true. I just picked the first two. I like them. I think you're being haters. Funny, do Kill Bill music. Maybe shut me down. What? There's a missed word in the Shy Guy dialogue? Which one? This goes hard on me. You guys don't appreciate some good lyrical rapping skill. Because I'm playing hide instead of hide and seek. I'm playing hide. Oh yeah. Well, none of them is seeking, so they're just playing hide. It's kind of the joke. Zweckreime? What? You know what? True. There are Zweckreime in that. But I had to write 16 raps, okay? 16 raps about a safe state Yoshi from outer space trying to kill you. You tell me you wouldn't put any Zweckreime in there. It isn't rap if you don't mention sex or drugs. Kinda, yeah. I think we need to give Mario the gun. Good thing UED has sent me a model of it. What does this funky word mean, German boy? It means forced rhyme. It means you're saying words just because they rhyme and not because you want to say the word. I'm doing a degree in literature, I'll see what I can do with them. You wanna write new rhymes? I'm up for that. Send them my way. How do I send them to you? Do I have you on Discord? Send them Discord. What's your Discord name again? I don't see you in my conversations. Maybe just Control F, BTalk. from Beatar. I don't see you. I can't find you. What's your name? Sometimes Discord bugs. I will DM you. Alright, DM me. Alright, here's the first two. Or is it free? This free. They're kind of all over the place, so. Here's more. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Oh my god, we wrote so many. Upload this file. It doesn't. It won't let me send this. Oh wait, it does. No, it sent it twice. Cool. He says, Jesus Christ, he didn't know we wrote 16 of them, huh? Good lord, there's so many, yep. There's one where he says he sends you to Brazil. That's the one I don't like, because I don't like that it references Brazil. But on the other hand, it's kind of out of world anyway, because like, you're safe stating. You're not doing something legitimate, so I think it's fine to mention Brazil. You and which AI? No, chat. This was before AI was even a thing, guys. Your save states are rude, they ruin my mood. So listen up, dude, I have a feud. I'm Yoshi from the Time Patrol. I watch over space-time, that's my role. I've seen your save state from inside a wormhole. If you keep doing it, I'll shut down the console. Oh, that goes hard. Oh my god. I do not want Brazil to exist in the game. I play games to relax, and I don't want real-world tragedies to be mentioned. Did I hit the tone of voice right? Voice gun vertex shaded? True. I know exactly what you're referencing to, Bioback. Ooh. This gun's fucked up. Wow, it's just one material. No OMFG, not that I complain about there being a lot of black characters in GTA 6 because video games exist to escape reality. Wait, what? I thought that was about anime. I thought that was a guy complaining about anime having black people in it. Not GTA. I feel like the GTA one is like a shitpost version of the anime guy. I think the anime guy was serious. I don't think it was a shitpost. Damn. Okay, so attaching this gun to Mario's rig is gonna suck. If you're racist, just don't play video games. Well, it doesn't even make sense for GTA, right? I don't think there's a GTA without black people. Like, do you even want that? How does this guy, like, does he even want to play GTA? How did this guy even get to that point where he was complaining about that? What was he expecting? Does Mario support Second Amendment rights? I don't know. I think he's just cowboy. The guy never played San Andreas. Yeah, or any other game, right? Weird. Mario does not call 911. Mario when someone breaks into his house. Fucking happy noises. Input scalar. Can I just make this a held object? Oh god. Oh, okay, so this doesn't actually attach to the hand anymore. This just moves it in front. Yep, everything is alright. Someone make a GTA style Mario hack? I made one, kind of. Although I never released that, but I kinda made one. Okay, we can't use this. We could maybe attach it to the actual mesh. And foot scalar. Interesting bug, I didn't know this. Can I release it? Yeah, only me will play it. I will charge people $10,000 to come visit my house and then I'll let them play it. Where is this? The gun? What are you talking about? Where is this? The Marganek, haven't heard anything about it. Oh. Did I never show this anywhere? Maybe Mario 64 with guns? I swear I made this somewhere. Wait. Please, Mario 64 with guns. Yeah, it's like this. I just showed this on my Case Clips channel, but I never released this. Anything new in the hack? There's new stuff constantly. Right now we're working on giving Mario a cork gun. It can shoot corks. Okay, I like to render this without actually making a part of Mario's geo layout temporarily, because we're gonna be using inlining and bleeding later, and this is gonna make it terrible to do. case I made this with you. I meant, is the hack in limbo or cancelled or something? Yes. The guy that paid for this to be made hasn't paid for it in a while, unfortunately. And I don't want to just, you know, spend a lot of more time on it. He said maybe he wants to continue at some point, but I don't know, we'll see. You made... I'm surprised you made this with me. I believe you, but I didn't realize that. But I also never thought about who made this with me. It's been not something I was thinking about a lot. The new micro optimization saves 200 microseconds, roughly. We could absolutely render the gun on here. That's not true, CX links. But this is also not good. This would cost performance permanently. I don't want that. Let me go in the scene in-game, see if I can find some stuff to use here. I don't want to make it just float in the middle of nowhere. It's not gonna look good, obviously. He is pissed. He's ready to shoot. That point, just put the gun in a Mario rig and render that. I don't want to import a separate Mario rig. I want to make sure that we can use this in the future as well. Surely there's some kind of solution here. One micro optimization before stealing your liver, true. Have it in the rig? How does putting it in the rig help? Just copy Mario's animation info and everything and you are golden. You wanna have the gun be like Mario's entire rig, but only have the gun attached to the hand and then render the gun with the same animation frame as Mario? Yes, Leela, you will note this. You can't just you can't just lose 0.2 microseconds all over the place. That's just bad practice. In the end, you're gonna lose like a lot. We're not starting with that. I can see the vision though of copying Mario's rig and attaching the gun to just his hand and then rendering an invisible Mario with only the hand visible where the hand is the gun. You seeing my vision here? It would work. I'm doing that. I think that is the most performative solution here. Unironically, that is the solution. Which I was making that suggestion before you said you don't want to... You'd want to use it in other places? I feel like either you misunderstood me or I misunderstood you. Can you copy Mario's hand, bone, rotation, and position? The problem is, Mario's hand position never exists. All that exists is Mario's hand matrix Same with the rotation. And it only exists for one blink of time in like a weird state where you can't really read it. So, I mean, we could capture the matrix, but it's gonna be expensive. So I'd rather just render an invisible Mario with nothing on it. I gotta copy the scale from the Mario model. Stupid ass game. Well, it's just because my render is so efficient that it doesn't hold on to anything useless. Just the way it's programmed, it just so happens that that won't work. Technically, what Leela is saying is something you could do, but we don't want to do that because it's bad. Why can I not select these? Using invisible Mario to attach again so that it moves with Mario, right? Basically. This rap Yoshi is so violent, damn. Rap has to be violent. I didn't make the rules. Actually, I did make the rules. Dude, what is going on? How do I... Eh? How do I rig a model again? What the hell? Was it not parented correctly? It was not. You need to use vertex groups? Yes, it wasn't parented correctly. That's why no vertex groups were there. Gun armature. Armature. Yeah. Switch shot has no mesh turn. Damn it. Start. Dementia setting in. Who? What? Where am I? Arrow right open hand armature has no mesh children. Okay. Who cares? Who cares? Why do we care that it has no mesh children? I don't understand. So if the master wants just use up performance, yes, but only during this cutscene and not during the entire game. That's the thing I care about here. Leela's rapidly approaching oldness. I would ask you how long until you're 18, but that's a dangerous question to ask. Someone could clip that out of context. I don't wanna. I tend to open. What if we just delete Mario? Nope. But next year I can ask how long until 19. Yeah. Wait, how old until you're 65? Oh, this was the issue. Left hand open hand armature. Hey, I think we did it. Let me check gun armature. No such file. Matrix / gun armament. Why are you trying to export it there? What? What kind of bug was that? It's vertex group, but it's not set to deformable. How is this not deformable? Oh. Less than 48. Well, that doesn't help. Does that export now at least? It does. Okay, so now that it exports like this, we just need to somehow move it back here. Yeah, that should work. said 40, yeah, exactly, but I wanted to hear like 47 years and 2 months, you know? If you wasn't the N64 guy, would you be the OT guy or perhaps a different game? Maybe Sonic Adventure guy? Maybe that's what I would be. I used to see a long time ago, I think you can use assembly. Yes, but just because you use assembly, your code's not gonna run faster. In fact, most human-written assembly is gonna be slower than compiler-written assembly. So unless you know exactly what you're doing, and you're willing to put in the effort into every single line of codes, do not bother. There's a lot of stuff we can remove from here, fortunately. Probably a lot more than this. Alright, let's try this. Weird code snake, true. "47 years and 6 months. Oh, you're still very far away from not being a baby then. See ya, Catelyn. Catalin. That's an interesting name though. I have no idea how to pronounce it. Usually I have a good idea, but damn. Actually, we might as well just make sure this always renders. Alright. J copy pose and angle to O from G Mario state Mario OBJ. And then O header and 38 dot animation. The hell? Wait, there's a better way to do this. We just copy the thing from Mirror Mario. Where the hell is Mirror Mario? Oh, we can just do this. I think there's currently a bug with the Mirror Mario actually, so that kinda sucks. Your birthday gift will be being kicked out or something? You actually think that? That would suck. Name Catafest and Mythcat. Ah, alright. I'll go with Catafest. Let's see if it works. Where's the gun? Where's your gun, Mario? Not good. I just squashed and stretched at the start of the cutscene out of nowhere. Must be something not getting reset. Doesn't seem like too bad of a bug. Wait, what? Where's the Yoshi gun code? Oh, it didn't even compile. Because I named that Mario gun in one context and Yoshi gun in the other. Cool, 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 cool. So the test just now means nothing. Just a feeling thing. But Leela, look, okay, you can program. You're not gonna be homeless. You can just become a programmer somewhere. Eh. Still doesn't render. Oh my god, look at Mario's shadow. Plenty of people here. Why is all your text red, CX links? Are you banned or something? I'm banned? I don't know, but every text you say is red. Look at this. Of course you have to import it. Can you stop being red, please? Yes, you're bothering the people. Unbelievable. What does red text mean? It means he's banned. He's a ghost. Wait. Wait, look, I set the children to the children. We just had two Marios in the same spot. Whoops. I made the gun into Mario, is what I'm saying. No. Come on, be there. Done, 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 done. Yes! I got the gun to render for free. We did it. Now that we've gotten the gun to render for free, we can cut out some unnecessary things. Like all this stuff here. One, two starts. Wait. Open, open, close, close. The animated parts are all required. We cannot get rid of those. Why is it nested so deep? To make rendering free while it's not rendering. Alright, I think we are finished here. Now we just gotta program him actually shooting next time, but we're not doing that today. I did what I set out to do. I'm very happy about this. I will see you guys in the next stream. Bye bye.